Hey everyone! Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to add an attachment to a Hotmail email in just a few simple steps. This is a full 2026 guide, so you'll know exactly how to do it. Yeah, whether it's a document, photo, or any other file. First, sign in to your Hotmail account using your email and password. Just type them in and hit the sign in button. So, once you're logged in, click on the new message button. This opens up a blank email where you can write your message. Now, to attach a file, look for the paperclip icon at the bottom of your message. Click on it and then browse your computer for the file you want to attach. Select it and click Open. Your file will start uploading right into the email. After the upload is complete, make sure your attachment appears below the subject line. You can add multiple files if needed by repeating the same steps. Finally, add the recipient's email, type your message, and hit the send button. And that's it. Your email with the attachment is on its way. And that's all there is to adding attachments in Hotmail emails. Super easy, right? If this helped you out, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.